Students, so we have a question over here. Question is: a ceiling fan is spinning at 60 revolution per minute. That is omega naught is given to us. That is 60. Revolution is 2 pi, and 1 minute is 60 second. So this is now in radians. So we are getting with 2 pi because this gets cancelled out. Okay, 2 pi radian per second. Time is 25 second, and I can write omega is equal to omega naught plus alpha t. Actually minus alpha t. Why minus alpha t? Because it is retarding. It again finally becomes stop. So this is 0, and 2 pi is equal to alpha times t. T is 25. So alpha is 2 pi by 25. Now we'll use the third equation of motion, that is omega square equal to omega naught square minus 2 alpha theta, because our target is to calculate theta. Omega square is 0. Omega naught is basically 2 pi. So this is 2 pi times 2 pi is equal to 2 into alpha. Alpha is 2 pi by 25 times theta. So 2 pi gets cancelled out. 2 and 2 gets cancelled out. Theta becomes 25 pi. So that is our answer. Hope this answered your question. Thank you very much.